How to grow chili peppers from seed to spice. Hello and welcome. Have you ever dreamed of walking into your garden and plucking a perfectly ripe, fiery chili pepper right from the plant? It's a satisfaction like no other. Today, I'm going to guide you through that entire journey, from a tiny, dormant seed to a vibrant, fruit-bearing plant. Let's get growing. Part 1. The seed stage. Success starts with the right timing. You'll want to sow your chili seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost in your area. This gives them a crucial head start. First, gather your materials. You'll need your chosen chili seeds, whether you like a mild jalapeno or a face-melting Carolina Reaper, a seed tray or small pots with drainage holes, a quality seed starting mix. Don't just use garden soil, it's too heavy. And finally, a plastic dome or some simple cling film. To give your seeds a boost, you can soak them in warm water for a few hours, but it's not essential. Now fill your tray with the moist seed mix. Plant your seeds about 1/4 inch deep. That's roughly 5 millimeters. Plant 2 seeds per cell, just in case one doesn't make it. Gently water them in, and then cover your tray with the plastic dome or cling film. This creates a mini greenhouse, trapping humidity and warmth, which is exactly what chili seeds crave to germinate. Place the tray in a warm spot. They don't need light yet, but they do need warmth. Around 25 to 28 degrees Celsius or 80 Fahrenheit is perfect. A heat mat is a fantastic tool for this, if you have one. Part 2. Hello seedlings. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll see tiny green shoots emerge. It's magic. As soon as they appear, remove the plastic cover and give them their next most important resource: light. Chili seedlings need a lot of light, at least 12 to 16 hours a day. A bright, south-facing windowsill can work, but for the strongest, healthiest plants, a simple LED grow light is your best bet. Without enough light, your seedlings will become tall, pale, and leggy, which makes them weak. Keep the soil moist, but never soggy. A great tip is to water from the bottom. Just place the seed tray in a shallow dish of water and let the soil soak it up through the drainage holes. This encourages deep root growth. Once your seedlings have developed their second set of leaves, the true leaves, it's time for a tough decision. Choose the strongest looking seedling in each pot and snip the weaker one at the soil line. It's tough love, but it ensures the survivor has all the resources it needs. Part 3. Hardening off and moving out. Once the danger of frost has passed and your seedlings are a few inches tall, it's time to prepare them for the great outdoors. You can't just move them straight out. The shock would kill them. This gentle introduction is called hardening off. Start by placing them outside in a shady, sheltered spot for just an hour on the first day. The next day, give them 2 hours. Gradually, over a week or two, increase their exposure to direct sunlight and the outdoor elements. Now, they're ready for their final home. Whether it's a large pot, at least 5 gallons is ideal, or a sunny spot in your garden, make sure the soil is rich and well draining. Gently remove the seedling from its starter pot, taking care not to disturb the roots. Plant it slightly deeper than it was before, as new roots will grow from the buried stem, creating a stronger base. Water it in thoroughly to help it settle. Part 4. The growing season and harvest. Your job now is simple. Provide sun, water, and food. Chilies love full sun, so give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light a day. Water them consistently, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Once the plant starts producing flowers, You can feed it with a fertilizer that's high in potassium, often sold as a tomato feed. This will encourage it to produce lots of beautiful chilies instead of just leafy growth. Soon, those little flowers will transform into green pods. This is the final stretch. The moment of truth is when they ripen to their final color. For most varieties, this is a vibrant red, but it could be orange, yellow, or even purple. To harvest, don't just pull the chili off. Use a pair of scissors or snips and cut the stem, leaving a small piece attached to the chili. This prevents damage to the plant and encourages it to keep producing. And there you have it. From a humble seed, you've nurtured a